Alright, we're going to test fly an Mi-24 Hind Helicopter with rockets and a 23mm cannon, I do believe. We'll find out. And I don't have a lot of experience flying helicopters, so I'm looking at the instructions, but we're going to give it a try here right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give myself some pitch control. Get up, gear up. Let's see if my gear goes up. Yes, it does. I'm going to switch views. There's my sight views. I'm going to stick with hover for right now. Okay. That's my hover. Alright, now I'm looking around, trying to find targets. Do not see any. They're off to my left. So we're going to go ahead and yaw around to the targets. There they are, or there's the field for them, I think. Let me look at my map. Oh, there they are out there. I got them now. Alrighty, so with that said, we're going to look at my different views. Here's my cockpit view. There I am flying. I can look out both windows. Kind of cool. Let's check my next view. This is the flying view. There's the external view. There's zoom into the external view. I can look all the way around. Alright. So with that said, let's go ahead and take hover off and try to go get some targets. We are still climbing. What's our altitude? Unknown at this time. Speed is still 47. 60 is climbing. Alright, here's my altitude. Climbing through 1,000 feet. It's on the right. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go with guns first. Uh-oh. I don't know where my rockets are. There's my rockets. Let's do 4. Nope, not working. Alright. We're going to go ahead and go this route. And try not to crash. We're going to have to go around again. There we go. Let's keep it this level. Like I said, flying a helicopter is a little on the tough side. But we're going to spin around here. Give it some yaw. But I will destroy those vehicles. And hopefully land correctly. I'm going to go back to external view. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and spin it on around. I think this time I'm going to cheat. Alright, and we're going to go to hover, and there we are. We are now hovering, looking at the targets. So with that said, altitude is still about 1,000 feet. Give it a little bit of yaw. A little bit of yaw, be on target. There's my rocket launcher looking thing. Rocket sight. Let's go back to V. Oh, but do we have anything that'll work? Okay, with hover, we're not looking very good. Okay. Alright, where'd my targets go? Targets are off to the right. Let's spin around again. No, actually they're to my left. Okay, spin back around. Am I right about there? There's the targets. Okay. So with that said, let's go ahead and take hover off. And we're going to go keep that right there going so I can actually fly the helicopter sufficiently. Keep an eye on my altitude. We'll climb. There's that aircraft. Can't get a shot of him though. Nope. Too far away. Alright, where's my targets? Should be down there somewhere. There they are. No, they're not. Oh, I hate losing my targets. There they are. Alright. So, we're staying right about 941 feet. We're going to make a run here in about 2 seconds. Going to line them up though, because that's the way we do things. And we're going to start firing rockets now. Got one target, 2 targets, 3 targets, and we're climbing out. Alright, that was a pretty good engagement. So with that said, we got them all. Looks like it. Nope, there's one left. Where are you hiding? Right there. Okay. So we're now going to go back to base, RTB, return to base and land. If successful, I don't think I got all the targets, but I've done enough damage. So we're moving at, we're still about 500 feet. I'm going to bring down my collective down a little bit. 37%, speed's 105 miles an hour. I'm going to try to nail the landing. Gear is still up. Alright, so we're going to have to collect it back a little bit. Back on the yoke to reduce speed. We're at 64 miles an hour. Altitude is dropping. Now we're dropping. Okay, gear is down. And locked. Okay, we gotta move forward. Someone's yelling at me on the radio. I cannot hear it. Alright. I'm going to try this the first time. Go right into hover mode. And reduce power. Feet, descending nicely. And touchdown. Collective down to 0. And doors are open. Left the helicopter for a debrief. We are done. Escape.